welcome back to another video. We're going to start, continue Replica Quest. One that is previously just left on. You'll see it soon. Welcome to my arrow build. We're just gonna hurry up and listen to this so we can start with what we're actually supposed to be doing, which is, dying to the Fairy King. Now we just sit here. And we turn this to the left. We start healing and we fire. You'll just see a quick, this should be pretty quickly. This shouldn't take long. Okay, it took some damage. So we're gonna wheel it out. We're gonna use this. We're gonna attack it. What do we summon? We summon 19, we summon 18. I should have enough health. I'm just gonna go ahead and upgrade my healing once more. Alright, healing once more. Grab my healing once more. Alright, now we retry. Because now, we don't have to worry about this. Alright, so here's the actual start of the run. So we're going to start with 2 uncommon items. The honeysuckle and haste. Interesting development. So we're just not using the meal. Honeysuckle will just give it +2 damage whenever we need. We'll probably just use it for like the first fight. And then we're gonna probably get these 3, and then maybe 1 at the bottom. I'm not sure. But now we have haste. But that doesn't matter, because we insta-kill. Alright, time for the next fight, after we level up those spaces. Disgusting food. Actually, this is best, because now we have the shield. So now we have a decent shield that we can, like, put down here. Do we need energy? Not really. I mean, we don't need that much energy. I think we can take this and try to lose 5 HP just so we can gain some health. So we can just start doing things. Alright, so we save a dart. So we try to get more energy. And I'm just gonna try to weaken this first guy. I kill him. So now I have haste. Or at least should have haste. I'm gonna grab these spaces over here. Tunic. So it's armor. Well, if I'm gonna be putting a helmet up here, then yeah, that might be best. Let's do a cup, because that could kill something. Let's do a damaged knife. And let's move on to the next fight. So we want to kill the bee, but we first want to take out this thing, so we can get the experience from it. So we hit this, and then we try to kill you as fast as possible. We're gonna get cursed, it doesn't matter if it takes the damage. Move on with life. We're gonna take Speed Leaf, that's free energy, just like right off the bat. Liquid Armor. And energy. Okay. So we go here, we do the same thing, except this is now safe to kill. We don't need to do damage, I don't think we need any energy to kill it. We're gonna need a plate, I think. Yep, perfect, got enough energy. So we do the dart, we do this, and I think we throw the cleansing bolt. I think we still try to kill this as fast as possible. There, that should kill it. Actually, I feel like I get the top now. The spiky club. Sounds like it's gonna do a lot more. It also looks like it's gonna heal me. If I take damage, I can add a spike to myself. That sounds useful. I haven't been using shield. I think I want to try to make a shield block set. Okay. Feather cap would be nice. What is this? Crystal spike. Ethereal arrow and the golden whetstone. Golden whetstone's always good because that gives me permanent damage. It's probably can be used on a weapon that I want to keep. Piggy bank and golden whetstone. Well, this is golden whetstone, so we're gonna go ahead and keep that. Feather cap, yes. This is absolutely broken, though. Are we gonna keep this? I don't think so. I think I'll save golden whetstone until like later on. For like jagged blade or something. Something that has a little more use. Pacifist ring if you do damage. Teddybear sword. Yeah, Teddybear sword would work perfectly without accessory. So these two are accessories. This is an accessory. That's 3. I could take that actually. Because this is uncommon, yeah. I could just sell this, take the Teddybear sword. You know what? Let's try winning with the Teddybear sword. And the whetstone can give it a permanent damage boost. None of your accessories, and I think I like the Teddybear sword more. A healer. I need some money for some gold, so I'll be right back. I mean, slime sword's uncommon. We'll just sell it. I think we made this a teddy bear run. Maybe, I'm not sure. Oh, of course. Of course it shows up now. I wanted this for my archer build. Cost 20 gold to get that. Anything else considered an accessory? I mean, that's just armor, and then consumable. Yeah, that'd be best if I could get that, but, like, I don't know if I can sell enough. I would have to sell the cactus, which doesn't even sell for that much. The golden wetsuit, which doesn't sell for that much. And the anklet. And that would just be all my buff gone. So, let's go here. I'm gonna probably just heal. And I think I'm gonna call it here. Next episode, we're just gonna try to beat the next floor. This is part 1 of the ramble. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.